India is fast becoming a global player in the life sciences and healthcare space. With the government now investing more resources in high-level research and infrastructure, companies such as Genetix Biotech Asia are playing an important role in making India self-sufficient and globally competitive. Backed by cutting-edge technologies, Genetix offers products and services that cover a large spectrum of life sciences research for new drug discoveries and development and production of new biotherapeutics. Alright, now that we have a brief background about the company, let's take a quick tour to understand how technology works to make sure that your company moves forward. Shall we?
Thank you.
Alright, so we are here in the main work area and I see rows and rows of PCs. So let me get a basic understanding of what's the work that's happening here.
We have a very strong IT support system within the organization. We started as, long ago, developed an in-house ERP system which was mirrored, then we moved on to tele, but then we realized that our business was not being handled well because of that. Inventory management, we have more than 20,000 SKUs of products. We have over 5,000 customers, it wasn't being able to manage. So we decided that we will invest into an SAP system.
You interact with a lot of partners, you interact with a lot of researchers, you interact with a lot of customers. So how does everything tie in and how does technology help you in that?
Well, having introduced the CRM and ERP such as SAP, we have been managed to monitor a lot of our sales programs. We have been able to track our businesses with our customers, which was literally fragmented earlier. From our different offices. Now we have consolidated on one server here. We can, at the end of the day or every minute, real time, look at the sales that is happening. And the whole sales process can be monitored here within sitting in Delhi office.
And I noticed the lack of desktops. So do you use a lot of thin client computing for your needs?
We've just a couple of years ago, we've done away with the CPUs and we've introduced a thin client system. That has really saved a lot on the resources of investing on CPUs and also on the power. There's so much of consumption of electricity. We've managed to save a lot on that as well.
And in terms of the benefits that it has brought to your firm, could you give us specific use cases where the use of technology, upgrading your technology has helped your workforce perform better and help you as a company also spot opportunities and capitalize on them?
Very important part was the inventory management. There would be a lot of pilferage. We couldn't track our orders. I think that has helped us a great deal in bringing, channelizing that whole process. We've actually saved a lot of money on doing that. Order processing, we get huge number of orders on an everyday basis. The challenge of tracking them and executing them on time was another challenge. We have to adapt to new technologies to remain ahead of the competition. I'm sure the way the technologies are changing so fast, it might just help us taking it to levels that we had not even expected.
So there is no final frontier in your view?
Absolutely not.